TrailManor factory. I'll take you out in a little bit and show you. 15 miles. I don't remember, was it 15 miles or 15 minutes? Dirt and or gravel roads to get here. And it's been raining, so the roads are all really hard to drive on. Luckily, when I got here, a couple of boys came out to where I was temporarily parked and showed me where to back in, brought power out to me, helped unhitch, and then just all of a sudden they were gone. I don't know where they went, but really nice kids, eager to help, just jumped right to it. Anyway, I am here a day early because I left that place 2 times ago, the Dakota campground. I wasn't comfortable there, so I gained a day, so I'm here a day early. But apparently there's no problem with me staying the night here. And like I said, I'll take you out and show you around as soon as I cool off. It is very humid here. Anyway, I will be back. Hello. So I got here, got set up, and instantly fell asleep. But I wanted to come out. Oh, look at the frog. Hey, Shay, look. They're everywhere. Look. See the frog? Where'd that one go? I get distracted easily, huh? I don't know where it went. Oh, right there. Jump, little fella. Anyway, before I got distracted by the mosquitoes and the frogs, I instantly fell asleep. Oh, I also saw a turtle when I was driving out here, crossing the road. Big guy. Anyway, so here's part of the TrailManor factory. I'm not sure. And it's Sunday, so there's like nobody working. Oh, there's another frog. Oh, he's a fast one. Shoot. Anyway, so there's nobody working because it's Sunday. But the people that, well, there were some kids out here, and they came out and helped me set up. Wow, there's a whole lot more to this place. Look at that. Hey, nice sign. Anyway, the kids came out. The boy was probably, oh look, they sew and everything here. Wow. I don't know if you can see or not, but they told me that I could do a video tour later. There's frogs everywhere. What's in here? Oh, more sewing machines. Juki sewing machines. Man, they do it all here, huh? Can you see in there? Anyway, forgot where I was. Anyway, this building is huge. Oh, look, there's more. There's a wall there, Froggy. You can't get in there. If you need assistance with your delivery, please call push button for service. I bet it rings over there where those houses are. Oh, look at them all. That's where they build them. Can you see in there? I don't know. Anyway, they said I could do a tour. Well, Sonia said I could. She doesn't work here anymore. She worked, frog crossing. She worked remotely, and I guess she isn't here anymore. Somebody else, Dave, took her place. Anyway, so we'll see tomorrow what happens. I'm not sure what time they open. I think it's pretty cool that they do all the sewing and everything here. I thought maybe, you know, they ordered that stuff, but I guess not. Anyway. Looks like the office. Yeah, it's just an office. I only got video security, so I'm all over the place here. Anyway, I was going to walk out and show you the TrailManors that are done. I guess they're done and sitting out here. Hope I don't get in trouble for doing this for you guys. Wow. They sure look different than mine. I love the, I know the name of that stuff. This stuff. Can't remember it. Oh, and they got the propane tanks are sideways on these, or laying on their sides. Pretty cool. That's a 2720. Just like, that's the same as mine. Only different. Only new. There's an older one back there. Well, here's one with the tanks up. I wish I could remember the name of that stuff. Oh, that's a 2720 as well. With air conditioners, and looks like satellite or dish TV up there. Oh wow, with awnings and everything. Oh, there's a whole bunch back there. But look how pretty. What a view to work, huh? Tough place to work, eh guys? And there's another one. You know, they just got these sitting around. I don't know why they just don't trade me. You know, where's that frog going? Wow, he was big and green. Quite the jumper. 2922 KB. That must be king bed. Yeah, they got so many of these just sitting around. I don't understand. I don't just trade them. I'll take one of theirs and they can have mine. Sounds fair. Sounds reasonable. Anyway, there's where I guess a lot of them live, the workers that work here. I'm not sure. I'll find out more tomorrow. Little apartment places down there, and then they've got lots of trucks for their farming or whatnot. Anyway, I will be back tomorrow when Jacob shows up and we do some more talking. Bye.